Well, yeah. It's about 40 degrees. Today's it's April 23rd, I believe. It's 2022. It's about 40 degrees. I'm dressed the way I am, warm and insulated, because I knew that you don't want to get cold out here. If you start off cold, you're gonna keep that body temperature, okay? And you're gonna want to pack up and leave sooner. You're gonna give up and quit because you're cold. I don't want to be cold. It's like 40 degrees. It's gonna warm up gradually. I'm probably gonna shed the face guard, the gaiter, you know, maybe the hat. Shed some of this stuff, but I'll probably keep the overalls on. But I'm waiting for my friend to come out. We're gonna do some tailgating and do some trout fishing. And I figured I'd take this opportunity to just go over some of my stuff. So first off, Primus Campfire Cook Set, small size. It comes with 3 pots and a pan, and it has 2 pots with lids, 1 pan. I don't know why the frying pan doesn't have a lid. I wish it did. And this little storage bag. Yeah, see what it looks like. You'll see me cooking on that stuff more later. I'll get into more details on it. But I just use Primus. You can get that at Cabela's. I mean, geez, even Dunham's might have it, but you know, a lot of my purchases I make online are in Cabela's with a lot of this gear. Coleman propane 2 burner stove. This thing's awesome. It takes these tanks, Coleman Protains camping gas, 16 ounces, 1 pound. I did not bring an extra. Boy, I hope this is enough. It feels a little light. I used it like twice, but not for like anything like crazy or extensive, you know. Spatula. Oh wow, look, the tree came off of it already. I don't like that. I only used that once. Some silverware, you know. Actually, for stuff like this, I'd almost prefer just bringing a plastic bag like that, throwing it on there, you know, cleaning it at home. I tried to clean it out last time while I was in the parking lot tailgating. It's a pain. Got some water for some noodles. I had a bag packed up of like good pasta and stuff. Forgot it walking out my door. We just worked a 12-hour shift. We got off work, coming out here fishing. Dude, this is close to work. I have about a 40-minute commute. It is not worth the drive, you know, an hour and a half to go get some pasta. So the gas station up here had some olive oil, garlic powder, just some chicken flavored ramen noodles. And we're gonna have noodles and salmon. My buddy's bringing some nice salmon fillets. But let's check out this grill. Just pops open like this. There's like a little carrying handle here. Put your fingers under, which is pretty nice. Boom, that's what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can tell I use this one more than I use that one. But it's super easy to clean. I've just actually been riding around with this in my truck for a couple days. And these just set up as like wind guards, right? And then this just screws in with your propane. Super easy. You can get that at Walmart for like 60 bucks. And I tell you what, man, I love that stove. That stove is probably my most used and favored accessory. I love it. This is my broken GoPro tripod. Plastic piece broke there. Aftermarket GoPro stuff sucks. I have not found a third party that's like good at all. Just cheap Chinese plastic. And here's my charger, power bank. Get it off my wet. My charge. Yeah, I get like 20 minutes. I think I have a 64 gig SD card. And I get about 20 minutes of recording at 1080p before my battery dies in the GoPro Hero 5 session. That's not enough. You know, I only fill up like a quarter of my friggin' SD card. We're gonna try to go over on this far side over here to the left. I think you can walk the whole way over there. And I see people on that side of that bank all the time pulling fish out of there. So I think we're gonna try to go over there. In fact, last time I was here in my previous video, what was it? I don't even remember the date on the previous video. But whatever day that was, I saw, I swear that gentleman's been here every day I've been here. Been like fishing every day. That's what I want to do when I'm his age, just fish every day. He caught, 2 people caught him over here. 1 person caught over on the other side of the water, all at like the same time, like seconds apart. I actually filmed it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the charger again real quick, top it off. I'm gonna finish getting this set up. I'm gonna do hopefully a catch and cook if we catch anything. I'm gonna film it, gut it, clean it, cook it right here, hopefully. And yeah, see what happens. This is my GoPro.
Oh.
Thermometer.
I thought you were like shining a laser at see what the temperature was.
Like thermal. Well, you'll be alright. This salmon, what is this, sockeye?
Yeah. Wild caught laughing.
Nice. It's still hard. It's gonna take a second to cook this, but it's gonna be all that much more worth it. Oh, it's hungry. That's not pretty good for being chicken ramen and like delicious salmon. What made you want salmon? Marinated mustard.
I got it from this recipe that had all this other stuff in it, but all you really need is mustard. You don't need what other stuff's
Gonna set all the dirty dishes in it and wash it at home. I've tried to wash it out here in the parking lot before. It's such a pain in the ass, dude. I should get another small pan just for trout if I catch it. You know what I mean? Just so I don't have to clean anything. This pot will be like relatively clean. So clean enough, I'll put a trout in here and some oil and eat it.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, I'll catch it first. Oh yeah. Let's go on the trail. I think it wraps around to the other side of the water, away from people. Get on the other side, cast some lines out, try to get some fish where no one else is really fishing. Playing. Oh yeah, sure I'm glad I wore boots. fishing is permitted. No fires, no overnight camping. But yeah, so yeah, I figured we could come over here on this side and fish it. This will put us just opposite of them other guys. Bassmaster. We're out here looking for trout, son. Think we'll find a ghost out here. It's kind of creepy. Come up on a dead body. Some kid got strangled out here. Something horrible. Nah, we'll be all right. I want to go, watch your step here, it's a little shitty. I want to go to where it's just a little bit deeper water, like up here. And then this is perfect. That's why I think it's shallow. Now that dude was standing like right along here when he caught that. I think this is exactly where I want to be. It's right up here. There's no snag. You'll be able to cast. How do you hold my camera?
Got a winner.
Awesome.
Look at that guy.
I think it's a smallmouth bass.
Hey.
Is it filming?
I don't know.
Is there a thing on the top?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't let it stop spinning at all, ever.
Now you got this figured out. I'm gonna stop it.
No, keep filming. There you go, man.
Bassmaster Gray.
Oh yeah, Bassmaster. Don't kiss him. That's disgusting. Don't let it stop. Don't let it stop because it'll sink, right? And when that lure sinks, you're gonna get sunk. So just cast. It wasn't what I was after, but yeah. So we're leaving. Caught a bass, smallmouth bass. There's some beaver action up here. There's some wild beavers, feral ass beavers tearing it up. Look at this. Soon there'll be no trees left. Hopefully they do actually eat all of these trees along here, and then we can fish, and then not have to remove the trees ourselves. We'll be like, oh, the beavers. The only thing I would say about this GoPro, dude, is that it does not last very long. Like, I'm already at half battery life, and that's including me charging it. Right, but that's the sacrifice for it being so small. I picked the smallest version of GoPro. And I horribly regret it. And now I want to buy the biggest version of GoPro. I want the screen, I want the battery life, I want all that shit. Oh, you may want to check yourself for ticks when you go home. Really? I've only ever had like 2 lats, I think. Oh, you get them out frequently. Best of the river. Yeah, because it becomes like a real road where they actually like have it. I caught a fucking fish, man. Harmony has a pond that we fish at. I mean, it has largemouth bass. They're pretty big. Bluegill has a lot of crappie. He claims there's catfish in there, but I've never seen it pull it out of there. But we usually catch several. I want to go up there and do an overnight. Take my truck up, set up my tent, you know, camp it.
He just said he said don't even worry about it. He's got like 1,000 spinners. Good deal.
What's up? What do you do?
He just sends me weird shit like that.
Checking out his stash.
He just sent me a picture of taking his shit.
Well, I'm assuming that they want you to use that bridge over there.
I think I'm going to use the bridge like a normal person.
Are you?
That's probably why they have that thing. They're like, no, go farther. They're going to straight over.
I'm gonna just be an idiot. I gotta clean my bib anyways. My clothes are already filthy muddy. But that's why I wear this stuff. You know? I dress the way I dress for a purpose. Why, is the bridge nice? Oh. Shit. That's alright.
My feet aren't wet.
That's alright. Well, now we know for next time. I actually plan on making that my spot. Now that I know that I caught a fish there.
No, I actually know how to fish, kind of. Caught a tree.
Well, once you learn how to cast and use the lure to keep it moving, yeah, dude. You were like a couple casts in, you figured it out, but
Man, it's not too complicated. Problem, the hard part is just finding a good place to do it where you don't gotta worry about getting caught on shit.
let's go off this to straight one.
That's a little easier.
Yeah. We were also very unfamiliar with the path.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Why not, dude? Do it. Peach boy.
So this dude would show me how to use your fishing pole, and he caught a smallmouth bass within like 30 seconds.
Yeah, first cast. First time.
So this dude would show me how to use your fishing pole, and he caught a smallmouth bass within like 30 seconds.
Oh yeah. Well, this fishing trip was kind of a success. Did not get a trout, did not do a catch and cook. I wasn't really prepared to do a catch and cook anyways. We made everything filthy with our dinner / breakfast. And now we're back. So that's it.